Good evening everyone present over here. I, Khushi Kala.
I, Ruturaj Praveen Kulkarni.
Dear audience, Indian art and culture are not just about beauty and grace. They are also about power, intensity and emotions. Among the Navarisas, there is one that symbolizes the strength, fury and righteous anger, Raudra Ras.
Raudra is not ordinary anger. It is the divine fury that rises against injustice. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanirbhavati bharata abhyuttan adharmasya tadatmanam srujamyah.
Whenever righteousness declines and injustice prevails, the divine power manifests to restore balance.
Yes, Raudra Ras depicts the fire that rises against injustice, the roar that awakens courage, and the force that stands tall against all evil. It is not mere anger, but the divine energy that destroys darkness and gives way to light.
When the path ahead is filled with challenges, when a voice from within calls for a revolution, there is one song that captures the fire, the spirit, and the sheer force of warrior. It's a call to action, a reminder that true greatness lies not in peace, but in the willingness to fight for what is right.
Yes, absolutely. In our classical texts, the very essence of Raudra is personified by mighty Lord Rudra, an epithet of Shiva.
Lord Shiva, the supreme power. When we think of Shiva, we often picture him in the mountains, meditating in the Himalayas. He is not just in nature, he is nature. His matted hair, the jata, is like a tangled forest, symbolizing the wild, untamed growth of the earth. The holy river Ganga flows from it, representing the life-giving force of water that sustains all creation. His body, smeared with ash, is a reminder of cycle of life and death, that everything returns back to earth from which it came.
Lord Shiva is a quite immovable mountain and a fierce destructive storm.
The divine and cosmic dance of Lord Shiva that represents the eternal cycle of creation, preservation and destruction, symbolizing the universe's dynamic rhythm, is known as Shiv Tandav. Shiv Tandav Stotram is a powerful hymn composed by Ravana that glorifies the dance, describing Shiva's grandeur and power.
Yes, you are right, Khushi. Shiv Tandav is not just a dance, it is a philosophy of transformation.
Shiv Tandav represents the eternal cycle where every beat echoes the heartbeat of universe. This shows how peace and power coexist and how destruction leads to rebirth.
So get ready to witness a storm of energy,
An explosion of strength,
and in celebration of the indomitable human spirit.
जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलम्ब्यलम्बितां भुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकां टमड्डमड्डमड्डमन्निनादवड्डमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिव शिवं शिवं जटाकटाह सम्भ्रम भ्रमन्निलिम्ब निर्झरी विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि धगद्धगज्ज्वलल्ललाट पट्टपावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रतिः प्रतिक्षणं मम धराधरेन्द्र नन्दिनी विलास बन्धु बन्धुरस्फुरद्दिगन्त सन्तति प्रमोदमान मानसे कृपा कटाक्ष धोरणी निरुद्ध दुर्धरापदि क्वचित् दिगम्बरे मनो विनोद मे तु वस्तुनि जटाभुजंग पिंगल स्फुरत् फणामणि प्रभा कदम्ब कुङ्कुमद्रव प्रलिप्त दिग्वधूमुखे मदान्ध सिन्धुरस्फुरद्वगुत्तरीय मेधुरे मनो विनोदमद्भुतं बिभर्तु भूतभर्तरि ॐ नमः शिवाय। सदा शिवं भजाम्यहं सदा शिवं काञ्चन प्रभृत्य शेषलेख शेखर प्रसून धूलि धोरणी विधूसराङ्घ्रिपीठभूभुजङ्गराजमालया निबद्ध जाटजूटक श्रियैचिराय जायतां चकोर बन्धुशेखरः ललाट चत्वरज्वल धनञ्जय स्फुलिङ्गभालिपीत पञ्चसायकं नमन्निलिम्पनायकं सुधामयूखलेखया विराजमान शेखरं महाकपालि सम्पदे शिरोजकालमस्तु